hi Pauline. Can you tell us where you travel from?
Westport.
So why do you come the whole way from Westport down to Seanos lessons with Emer in Sligo?
There isn't that much opportunity around Westport, but also it works well for me with Emer. She's endlessly patient with me and very encouraging, and I really, it just works. For me, it works. Yeah, so long as I'm able to go, I will keep coming.
Hi Cleena, how are you?
I am good, how are you?
That is some accent. Tell us where you're from, Cleena.
From Tyrone.
Tyrone. And why do you come the whole way from Tyrone?
Because I suppose it pays off me.
Every week?
Yeah, most of
And how long are you with Bróga Bríomhar?
just about a year, but I've achieved a good amount.
What have you achieved in 1 year?
I'm Tyrone champion, Ulster, and I got third at the All-Ireland, and I qualified for the Oireachtas.
That is a lot in 1 year. Hi Alva. So how are you involved with Bróga Bríomhar?
I'm an advanced dancer with Bróga Bríomhar, and I also help out with the teaching side to do with Bróga Bríomhar. I help out with the beginner and intermediate class in Clooney on Fridays.
And what do you think of that?
I absolutely love it. It makes my day and really cheers me up. I absolutely love to see John.
So Jessica, when did you start Seanos dancing?
I started when I was 7.
And what age are you now?
I'm 13.
And you're still Seanos dancing. How do you find the time to still fit in dancing? I know you're in secondary school now and you've loads of other hobbies.
Well, I just really love doing it, so I make the time to do it. Like, I love coming to class every week, and I started off in Ballantor, and now I'm up in the Riverstown class, and I just really, really enjoy going to class every week.
Brilliant. And have you made loads of friends? I suppose you went from 2 different venues.
Yeah, I made loads of friends, like Rachel and Kate, and her younger sister actually started, and she's 4.
Brilliant, thank you. Hi Marcus.
Hello, Kayla.
So how long have you been dancing?
I've been dancing 8 years now, so a long time.
That's a long time, considering Bróga Bríomhar is nearly 10 years in business. So can you tell me how things have changed from when you started dancing to now?
When I started dancing, so I started right at the very beginning. I was in the beginner class and I worked my way up to an advanced class. And recently enough, in the last year, I've started helping out teaching in the class in 𝐾𝐿. So
And it must be very different to be the other side of dancing, getting to teach.
it definitely is. You have to be cross, you have to be strict. Where I was the one who was messing when I was younger, so it's the other side.
Hi Shannara. Hello. So what other activities do you do?
I do 𝐾𝐿 and Centre for Our Hearts, and I also do Seanos for Bróga Bríomhar.
How do you have time to do all those activities?
Well, I gave up when I was younger to do 𝐾𝐿 and then I came back in my teenage years to join dancing.
And how do you find it? You must be really busy.
I'm so busy.
But you must love it to stick at it and to come back in your teenage years while being in secondary school and everything.
I do. Even coming up to my exams, I just enjoy it so much.
Hi Katie. So what is your favourite thing about dance class?
Coming out every week so I can play games and see my friends.
So Freya, when did you start dancing?
4 years ago,
And why do you love dance class?
because every Thursday I get to learn new steps and see all my friends, and because my little sister's there.
Introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Karen Gordon and I'm the director of the Star Factory.
And how do you know Emer Mulvey and Bróga Bríomhar?
So we met Emer. Emer introduced herself to us. She was just so enthusiastic about dance, and she came to us and she was like, I'd love to also do some musical theatre stuff as well as the Bróga Bríomhar stuff. She came to us as a teacher the year before last, and she's been absolutely phenomenal, and it was just through her being with us that we learned about what she does, and she's a one-woman machine. I don't know how she does it. She's amazing.
And did you know Bróga Bríomhar are 10 years in business this January?
I did, and it's just an incredible achievement. Unbelievable.
From one business owner to another, do you have any well wishes for Emer at Bróga Bríomhar?
All the well wishes. I mean, all I'd say is from working with her and seeing her work ethic up front and her passion up front and her class management and how she is with the kids, every child who gets a chance to work with Emer Mulvey is like the luckiest kid in the world, and Bróga Bríomhar is so lucky to have her and all of you guys, and just best wishes for the next 10 years, and may go from strength to strength, and fair play to everybody involved. Emer, you're a legend.
So, hello everyone. I don't really know where to start. I can't believe I'm even making this video, but Bróga Bríomhar Dance School is 10 years in business. I don't know where the 10 years went, but I suppose I just want to say a big heartfelt thank you to every child, parent, school that booked me, workshop, summer school committee, absolutely anybody who's walked in the doors of Bróga Bríomhar Dance School. I am so appreciative to be a full-time dance teacher, and it was a big dream of mine from a very, very young age. I'm very proud that I was a small country girl at the time that wanted to be self-employed, and I made it work, and here is to 10 more years. Woohoo!
Hi everyone, I'm Kayla. I was lucky enough to have had the opportunity to interview some amazing people involved with Bróga Bríomhar over the last few weeks. I want to thank everyone for their help with getting the videos recorded. I've had the privilege of coming up through Bróga Bríomhar Dance School. I went from being a beginner to having the opportunity to teach, all thanks to Emer. I want to wish Emer and Bróga Bríomhar a very happy 10 years in business. And here's to 10 more!